All right, trader nerds. Wow, we didn't add as many jobs as we thought we'd do. And that seems bad, but not in this upside down world where if you're a boy, you're a girl, and you're a girl, you're a boy. It doesn't matter at all. So good news is bad news, and bad news is good news. So bad news is good news, and that means that maybe a cut is on the horizon. And that is why we are up 1.33% because of non-farm payroll. Wow. Isn't that great? And everybody's already gone to the Hamptons. Look at this 2,900 contracts. So it is. And look at this. AD is dead. Stick a knife in it. This is as choppy as I have ever seen the AD, just back and forth and back and forth. So nothing burger. Let's look at the big green monster. Speaking of which, now, y'all, this is interesting. Now, we had a gap up, and now we are oversold for the fair value zone above. And if that's the case, if we stay in here for a little bit, watch out. 5274 is on deck, but we'll have to clear the 5200, which should be a nice little number of resistance. So we'll see. Let's look at the linear regression. See what that looks like. Wow, look at this, y'all. So it looked like we have consolidation still, and then it'll make up its mind. Is it going to go up or going to go down? And according to the big green monster, it's going to go up. So we shall see if we resume business as normal now. So this is interesting. Very interesting. Let's see how our little account is doing. I would imagine we're at all-time highs today. So let's look at here where we're at. Today is the 3rd. And let's see what our little account is at today. Oh my goodness. It's just ought not be legal to print as much money as well. Oh my goodness. 47. Oh, are we down a little bit? 47,101. I can't believe we're down. 47,101. Dadgummit, we're down $15. So we're still up 12% on the year. So that's not bad at all. Now, what's this? This is kind of neat. 47. Yeah, I'm just making sure that was right. 47,101. Let's look at our rates and ratios today. And it's one of those days that you got to watch your GTC orders, right? So what's this? My theta's at -1, y'all. So 38 deltas, -1 theta. And I'll show you why that is. 38, -1, because we've had GTC orders filling. So you guys need to make sure that you check. And what is VIX at? Probably in the 14 handle, 13 handle. VIX is 13. And our buying power is at, let's see, positions. Shut up. 47.46. 47.46. Because we've had some orders to fill. What's your GTC orders? So we're only using 10% buying power. So let's see what that looks like. Let's see what orders we had filled. Let's see right here. Make sure we're on the right account. So we had activity. Look at this. Let's just look at the field orders. Field orders. And we'll change this to 7 days. So look at this, y'all. We've had 3 GTC orders filled today. So let's see what these are. First of all, looks like we bought some loans. We bought 15 loans at 77 days out, 3150s. Okay. 3150s, 15 loans. So we got to put those in our spreadsheet. 15 loans, 3150s at 77 days. God, I can't remember all those. It's a lot to remember. So we got 15 loans. And this is in the E-minis. And 15 loans. And what did we say they were? 77 days. Let's see if that's right. 77 days. 77 days at 3150s and $1.55. 3150s, $1.55. At $1.55. That is amazing, y'all. $1.55. Now let's check it out. See what those are. 30. So that should be part of a 15. So that should be 9 shorts. Yep, look at this. 3200s and at 77. So we bought those. So that is a free BSH3 put on for absolutely free. Okay, so puts, and this is long hedge. This is our hedge, y'all. And it did it today. Control colon. Okay, so that cost us $1,189, right? So we've got some BSH threes in there, 3150. So let me go put those in their little group. So let's go positions. And let's go the 3150s. Here we go. And we said that was BSH3. So let's see. BSH3. There's BSH2 and there's BSH6, BSH3. Okay. Hey, y'all be quiet. Daddy's in a class. Here we go. That's BSH3. So let's group those together. BSH3. Good. Hey, Daddy's in the class. Unless y'all want me to come down there and watch some tail, y'all be quiet. Jeez Louise. All right, so we put that in. So that's got that finished. So let's see here. No, it looks good. A little rooster. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now let's see what else we got filled here. Hey, baby. Hey, you do it, darling.
I sure need a float.
Oh, I love your floats. Nice and American. We got the pool going. We got the frogs out of the pool. Everything's going good. So let's see what else we got filled here. So that's those 15. So then we also filled 5 at $1.55, 30 50s, 30 50s, 89 days. 30, 50, 89 days. Yeah, shut that dog up.
That's one here.
30, 50, 89 days. So we'll go ES. Got 5 of those. And this is going to be, let's say 3150. So let's see if we got a 3200 here. Yeah. No, let's see. No. 3050. So this will be 3100. Yeah, right here. See that? That's BSH. So let's put that in there. BSH. Beth, will you shut the dog up? I'm trying to be professional here, and I can't because that darn stupid dog. All right. Throw your colon. $1.55. Good. So that's BSH2. BSH2. Yep. So let's go group BSH2 together. Go to positions. So we got BSH2. So let's undo this. Ungroup. All right. So we got this and this are now BSH2. BSH2. Good. And then finally, we got this other one that happened. So let's say our next GTC order is we 3. Oh, we've harvested, y'all. Look at this. We harvested the 3350s at 28 days. 3350s at 28 days. So let's find those. I know it's hard to keep up with this, y'all. 3250s at 28 days. All right, so I don't think we've got this on this. We've got those on there, 28 days. Now, that's before we started keeping up with everything, so that's fine. Make sure. 28 days. Yep, so we won't put that on there. So what does this mean? This means that we could probably sell 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 short puts. How about that? 15 short puts. Make sure that's right. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So 15 times 3 times 15 is 5 tranches. So let's sell 15 tranches or 15 contracts in the ES. So let's go out above 60 days. And we could go to the 70-day here. We don't have anything there. And sell us 15 for $3. Let's see, let's do that. 15 for $3. So 3,900s. And we're going to try to sell 15, you said. Let's sell those. Beautiful. Okay, so let's put those in there. We sold the 3,900s at 70 days. 3,900s at 70 days. Let's put that in there. 3,900s at 70 days. Let's fill all of this in. So ES, we sold 15. And we're going to call this BSH 7, I guess. Yeah, looks like BSH 7. Puts short hedge. And we did it today's date. And we sold those for $315. $315. Good. So that's really good. So let's put those in their little group. BSH 7. Let's go to positions. Where's the 15 we just sold? Right here. So we'll go group positions, BSH 7. Good. Now, we got to go back to the trade tab because remember, GTC, we got to close that position at 20 cents whenever it gets down to 20 cents, right? And we'll go GTC. So that's 5 tranches. So now we've got to put in an order to buy 25. No, hitting the wrong button. At $1.55. $1.55, $1.60, whatever you want to do with that. So we want to do quantity of 25 because it's 5 tranches. Good, 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 good. And we'll make that a GTC order. Okay, so we got our working orders there. So now it's really time for us to just do our, hey baby, oh, I like that. It's just time for us to do our normal 1-1-1 trade. So now let's do that. And we'll do that in the macros. Yes. And harvesting, yeah, okay, Misha, that's a good. So what does harvesting mean? Harvesting means you're harvesting those short puts of the hedge, you know, the 3-5. It means that you're closing those when they get down to 20 cents. It's called a harvest. So they have served their purpose. They have paid for the long puts, and we're just closing them to keep us from having any valley of death problems. You want to close those when they're at 20 cents or they're at 21 days to expiration so that we don't have a valley of death problem on our hedge. That's all that is. So let's put in our little regular trade today. We want to go to 120 days. So that's at, I guess, 139 days. We'll do that at. And let's put our naked put here somewhere. We can move it up to the 45.50 today. So let's do the 45.50 at 32.75. 45.50, 32.75. 45.50. And this is in the macros. Hey, JoJo.
You watch us.
Well, our daddy's got a class right now, JoJo.
And then can you watch?
Yeah, I'll watch you after that, okay? So this is going to be, they're ready to go swimming, boy. Got the frogs out, they're ready to go. So this will be naked put 9 and put naked. And we did this at, was it 139 days? I think it was. Colon. There we go. So now let's do our put debit spread. By the way, y'all, I am writing a book on the 1-1X trades. So that should be really, really interesting. That goes into all the details. That's right. $33 to 20 cents. That's exactly what you harvest them at. You originally sell them at $3 and you harvest those at 20 cents. So we're going to do a put debit spread now. So the book should explain everything really good, and it'll go into the hedge as well. So I'm looking forward to that book being out. And what is that dog keeping? PDS. What do we call this? PDS 9. There we go. So let's go find us a put debit spread. So about a 25 delta. So let's do this a 49.50, 4,900. Let's go down a little bit farther. Let's go layer. Kind of layer these things on top of each other for 850. There we go. Filled for 855. So we did 4,900, 855. 855, 4,900. 4,900, 4850. Put debit spread at 139 days to day state. Now let's look and see if anything says that it needs to be closed, and it doesn't. So yeah, I think we're doing really, really good, y'all. I mean, look at this. Here's where the proof of the pudding is. What's this? We are up 12.8% and the market's up 7.6%. Isn't that great? I mean, we're beating the market by 5%, y'all. Really good. Commissions are really not favorable for micros. They eat up a hefty percentage of the profits. They do, but look at this, y'all. When you can crank out a 12% return compared to 7%, I mean, that's gold. That's gold, y'all. All right, we're about to go into Muscadine Moth, your spreadsheet with the open trades. I don't post that with the open trades. Maybe I should. But it's got, you see them, me put the trades in every day. I don't really post this with the trades in it. Maybe I'll think about that. So we're about to go into Muscadine Mafia session along with Hello Ladies. And Ninja Nerds. And what we're going to look at today, if you're not part of those groups, you should be, because we do an in-depth session every day. We'd really love to have the open trades, Bobby. It would help to learn a lot. Okay, I'll think about that, Misha, for sure. What we're going to do in our Muscadine Mafia session today, I wanted to show you this, is strategy variations. We're going to look at the 2-2-1 or the 4-4-1 today, which would be really neat for Muscadine Mafia session. For everybody else, y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see y'all on Monday.